Launching your first website is exciting. You buy a domain, imagine customers flooding in, and finally feel like your business is real. But here's the problem. Almost every beginner makes the same painful mistakes. Mistakes that slow their site down, scare visitors away, or even get the site hacked. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 most common first website mistakes people are making in 2026 and exactly how to avoid them. Mistake 1. No clear goal. Launching a website without a clear purpose. A lot of new site owners just want a nice-looking website. But when there's no clear goal, selling products, collecting leads, booking calls, or sharing content, visitors get confused and leave quickly. The fix is simple. Before you even buy hosting or a domain, write down 2 sentences. My website's number 1 purpose is, the action I want visitors to take is. That clarity will guide your design, your pages, and every decision you make. Mistake number 2 is choosing unreliable hosting. In 2026, the biggest danger isn't price, it's instability. Unreliable hosting shows up as slow load times, random downtime, missing backups, and support that disappears when something breaks. A website that works sometimes is worse than one that doesn't exist at all because it quietly destroys trust. The fix: choose hosting built for reliability. Look for free SSL, automatic backups, solid performance, and a proven uptime guarantee of 99.9% or higher. Your website's foundation matters more than anything else. Mistake number 3 is forgetting about mobile users. More than 60% of website traffic comes from phones. Your site might look perfect on a laptop, but if it's broken or hard to use on mobile, visitors will leave instantly. The fix: use a responsive theme and always test your site on your own phone. You can also use free tools like Google's Mobile Friendly Test to catch problems early. Mistake number 4 is a slow website. Just 1 extra second of loading time can cause 20 to 30% of visitors to leave. Most people won't wait, they'll simply move on to the next option. The fix: compress your images, enable caching, choose fast hosting, and test your site using tools like PageSpeed Insights. Aim for a load time of under 3 seconds. Mistake number 5 is skipping SSL and basic security. Without SSL, browsers warn visitors that your site is not secure. That alone can destroy trust and hurt your Google rankings. The fix: enable a free SSL certificate. Most good hosts offer this in just a couple of clicks. Use strong passwords and keep your themes and plugins updated automatically. Mistake number 6 is poor navigation. If visitors can't easily find your contact page, shop, or key information, they won't struggle, they'll leave. The fix: keep your menu simple. Limit it to 5 to 7 items and place the most important links at the top. A good test is this: can a stranger find what they need in under 10 seconds? Mistake number 7 is not telling visitors what to do next. People may read your content, like your site, and still leave without taking action. The fix: add clear calls to action like "Get started," "Buy now," or "Contact us." Place them above the fold and repeat them naturally throughout your pages. Mistake number 8 is ignoring backups. 1 hack, 1 failed update, or 1 accidental click can wipe out your entire site. The fix: enable automatic daily backups. If possible, also download an extra copy to your computer or cloud storage once a month. Backups are your safety net. Mistake number 9 is launching without basic SEO. Without page titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text, your website is almost invisible to Google. The fix: install a free SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math. Write clear titles and descriptions and add alt text to every image. Small steps make a big difference over time. Mistake number 10 is building a site and never checking it again. Outdated plugins create security risks. No analytics means you have no idea what's working. The fix: check your website at least once a month. Update everything and connect free tools like Google Analytics and Search Console from day one. And there you have it, the 10 biggest mistakes almost every first-time website owner makes, plus simple ways to avoid them. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more beginner tips, and comment below. What's your biggest website challenge right now? Thanks for watching and happy building!